Yes, guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, these hooded blankets are selling like hot cakes, man. They're absolutely crazy. And this is what I'm saying to you. The TikTok shop is the way to diversify and also sell. Remember, not all the eggs in one basket, man. You gotta have Etsy, you gotta have TikTok shop, you gotta have Shopify, you gotta spread yourself, man. Get those sales, that passive income real quick. And this TikTok shop, these trending products, guys, you gotta get on it. Open up your shop if you haven't done already, because this is the time for this. You're still on time, man. Be quick though. And listen, this is one of the trending ones, which is basically a hooded, strawberry hooded blanket, guys. Look, these are crazy. These are selling like mad. That's what I'm saying to you. And the thing is, what I like to do is verify, validate, make sure that it really does sell. And I do definitely do my research. So, and you love finding all these products, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share, because we love to share, guys. So look, listen, I just went on TikTok right now. And please listen, if you do get the opportunity, please go on my TikTok and do put me a sub on my TikTok, because my TikTok is looking kind of lonely right now. Listen, but anyways, back to what we're talking about, the madness, which we call the hooded strawberry style blanket. And this is what it is. It's a hooded strawberry blanket because it is a specific style. Now, what I do like to do is I like to verify and validate. And the best way to verify and validate is to go to a proven platform like Etsy, which I know will be able to sell these things. So I found this one, which is a strawberry blanket, and I'm going to go on it right now. As usual, I'm going to go to my go-to research tool, the Nugget Finder, the one I call EVERBEE. So do check it out, please. Link in my description, free access. And EVERBEE is going to obviously help me do all the analysis of this. So this is the hoodie. This is the hooded blanket, strawberry style, obviously strawberry design. This is the strawberry hooded design. Now what we do is look at it. It's only 5 left. Boom. It's a bestseller. Boom. 5 left in a basket. Boom. Analyze it. Let's do this. So listen, as a print on demand, look, 2-month-old listing is making $2,000, right? So that's a good sign too. That's a good sign. Obviously, it's always good to do more research, more validation. Look, with everything, you got to do your research first before you actually go and create it, right? But let me show you how easy it is to get this done if this is what you want to do. Right? And to be honest, it applies to any print on demand. You've got to get yourself, first of all, you got to make sure that you get yourself a TikTok shop. Now, you don't need a massive account for TikTok. You just need an account. And then literally what happens is once you hook up your print on demand store, which is going to be Printify, which I'm going to show you real quick. You hook it up to your TikTok shop and you're good to go, mate. You just got to get those pictures and those images. And then literally, like you see on the screen, you can get those sales when you start hooking it up, and literally you get your buy buttons and so forth. And you don't need to have a big account to do this. You just need 1 or 2 little videos that actually go out there and do their thing, not even massive, and you start getting those sales. As long as it's something that is trending, because if it's trending, people are searching for it, more likely to get those sales. And that's what I'm saying. Try to go and find those trending ones, right? Anyways, so what you would do, just to show you, man, just to show you. So I've gone on to Printify. There's Printify. And they actually have this. They actually sell these hooded, look at these hooded blankets, man. They sell these hooded blankets. And that's amazing, because all you need to do, and the margins for making profit are fantastic with these blankets, by the way. So literally, all you got to do, this is how you do it. You hook up Printify to your TikTok shop once you've created your account, right? Creating an account for your TikTok shop is not difficult. It's very easy, but obviously you got to sit down and do it. And then you hook up Printify as you would hook up Printify to Etsy, which you can do, TikTok, which you can do, and many other platforms, which allows you to do that. Once you hooked it up, you then need to create your design. So I like to do my designs on MIDJOURNEY AI. That's my go-to tool for designing my madness, right? So I'll probably create something like this. And I might type something on MIDJOURNEY. Remember, MIDJOURNEY, you can check out the link below. You can try it for free as well. And then when you're ready, you can subscribe. But check it. Look, strawberry pattern on a pink background, man. I put dash tile because that means it's a pattern, seamless pattern, because I want it to be seamless, right? So what I did was I did a few trials. And then what I'll do is you download the design you like, and literally once you finish designing the design, you go back to Printify, check out your Printify, and then you'd go to start designing, right? So you click on start designing. Once everything is hooked up and once everything is all connected, you download the design that you made and say AI MIDJOURNEY AI. Go to the pattern that you created, open it up, and then it's going to upload the design, man. Check this out. Check this out. Look how quick this is. It's crazy. Now what you want to do is you want to go to create pattern, right? Create pattern, and then you want to save it. It's still a high resolution. And then what it's going to do now, it's going to create me the mock-up of what it looks like, right? So you can see now, let's have a look. It's going to show us the mock-ups of the strawberry style hoodie blanket, man. Look at this. So then what we get to see is we get to see the design of the hooded blanket. The strawberry hooded blanket. There you go. Look at this. Look at that. That's my hooded blanket, man. Right? And that's what I'm saying. That is as easy as that. Find a trend, right? So the steps are find a trend, and it's quite easy to find trends, honestly. You know, if you just type in even things like hooded blanket, right? Just let's say hooded blanket gift, yeah? Hooded blanket gift, because obviously people are looking for gifts. And then actually look and see what styles there are, because there's different styles, actually lots of different hooded blanket styles, right? And then what you need to do then is go away and then check out anything that is kind of that you'll be looking for. So it might be mug gift, it might be hooded blanket gift, right? Let me say mug gift, hooded blanket gift, or mug gift ideas. These kind of words will help you show you the designs that are trending, right? And then what you would do is you'd go and jump onto something like Etsy, which I like to do. And with Etsy, I like to just validate and verify all those niches that are good. So if it's going to be mug, I'm going to look at mugs, and then I'm going to start look and see which ones look like they are trending. Okay, so I'll go down and look at all these designs of mugs. And then what I'll do is go further, because I like science, man. I like science and no guesswork here. I like to validate and verify that actually does make the cash. So I'd actually go away and check out how much they're making, like this one, that personalized crazy one. Look at that. 4,809. So then I'll probably go and type in something similar on TikTok again, just to again make sure it's the right mug. And then all I need to do, as I just showed you, go to Printify, man. Go back to your catalog. Make sure you hooked it up. Go to home. Now, if it was mugs, I'm going to go to mug, click enter, and then I'll see which ones are the best selling ones, which is this one, 11-ounce mug, and then get my design and put it onto that, guys. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is, guys. So if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.